YouTube just introduced a very interesting update, and with this update you can get up to 4,000 watch hours even without showing your face or even barely doing anything. This is a game changer, especially for beginners, creators, and faceless channel. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Blessing. If you're looking to grow your channel, get monetized, or grow that brand you're looking for, then this is the right place for you. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing a very new update and an interesting update for you. I'm going to be introducing this new strategy to you. This strategy does not only bring people to your channel, it also helps to grow your watch hour consistently with zero stress. Yes, zero stress. If you have been struggling to hit 4,000 watcher, this might just be the game changer for you. So YouTube just introduced a very interesting update, a new way for you to go live without showing your face. Imagine this: instead of showing your face in a camera like I am doing right now, you put a beautiful background like a quiet forest, a peaceful beach, and while that plays, you can either talk on the background or play a beautiful background music or engage in the chat, or better still, go and sleep. Yes, I said zero stress earlier, right? That is where the strategy begins. And stay with me, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the whole setup, and so that you can be able to do that. Step 1, we have to find the background. Yes, this is the most important part of it all. You have to be very deliberate in choosing your background, because this actually draws viewers to your video. So the first thing is to go to Google and search for a beautiful image based on your theme. Let's say your live stream is about staying calm in stressful times, like an ASMR. Then go to Google and type serene nature background, and then to give you varieties. If you don't see here, click on images, and then you see lots and lots and lots, but I'll just click on this first one. This one is beautiful enough, and as you can see, it's from Pezes, so it means it's not restricted. I'll just click on download. So I download. Better still, you can go to FreePic or any AI image generator to create something more unique. Remember, we are creating images. You can use FreePic or any image generator. The goal here is to get an image that speaks to your topic and pulls in viewers visually, even before they read your title. Next step is to set up your live stream. First thing first, you go to YouTube. While on YouTube, we'll click on the plus icon to go live, but we are not going live just yet, so follow me through. So we're going to rename this live stream to something like, name your live stream to something keyword rich, like make it have a rich keyword. So, and it should also depend on the type of image you want to use, so they should actually synchronize. So let's say I'm naming this to relax with nature. You can see right now that I actually gave this live stream a keyword rich name: relax with nature, 247 camp forest, reduce stress and focus ASMR. I added that ASMR. If you have been following my silent live stream, you know I added it. So once you're done, you should go ahead and add your thumbnail. It's very, so click save, and then we'll go to schedule for later. We are not going live just yet, so click on schedule for later. It doesn't matter the time you actually scheduled, don't worry. You can choose any time, and then click on next, and then click on next. You can see we are not going live just yet, it has already been scheduled. So the next thing for you to do is to go to our YouTube studio. Now that we've headed over to YouTube studio, so just go over to content, and then I'll click live. You can see our scheduled live stream here, relax with nature 247. So what we're going to do, we're going to click on it. You can see the video details. So what we're going to do now is to add the description. So I'm going to add a brief description of this video. So the description you're adding is based on the video you are doing. Adding description that are keyword rich makes it easy for YouTube to recommend the videos to people that are likely going to watch it. So I just added a brief description. So what I'm going to do is to add to playlist. If you have playlists, let's say you can do ASMR playlist, but I don't have yet because this is just an illustration video. If you had not had thumbnail before, you'd have been able to add it here, but now that we have thumbnail already, so there's no need. So click on show more. So we're going to add tags to the video. You can see I already added tags automatically, ASMR tags, so we're just going to add more relevant tags. So just add relevant tags, that these tags that are relevant to the live stream. So choose the category. My live streams are mostly for entertainment, like this one is for entertainment, so I'm going to click on save. Now that we've clicked save, we'll go back to our YouTube studio. We'll click up here and then look for our schedule live stream. We'll click it and then we'll click on go live. Once you are live, click on this place where we have the green screen. It will show up like this, and then select the image you want to use as your green screen. And then once you've finished selecting it, click on done. I already have 2 persons in my live stream in less than how many seconds. This question might be popping on your head right now. Now that you can stream, what can you possibly stream? Yes, you can actually play background music, but when you are doing this, make sure it aligns with the theme of your live stream. Like the example we gave now, natural background, right? Make sure when you are playing music, it's actually streamlined, or rather it actually relates to it. Or you can just allow viewers engage in the charts while the serene image plays. Some people even had subtitle quotes to the image. Quotes like, "You are stronger than you think," "breathe," "relax," "recharge." People just want to recharge, they want to relax, not those ASMR thing, right? So just be a bit creative when you're doing this to attract more viewers and to make more viewers stay on your live stream. Others go live for hours, some even go live 247. Yeah, there are some channels on YouTube that go live 247 using the same strategy. But I don't advise you to go live for 24 hours. The maximum I advise is 11 hours. Why? So that YouTube will not cancel that watch hour, because if you pass 12 hours in your live stream or any of your video, YouTube will not count it. Especially in YouTube live stream, YouTube will not count it. How can you even possibly upload videos up to 12 hours? YouTube will not count your video when you go live for more than 12 hours. So streamline to a maximum of 11 hours, or maybe 11 hours and some minutes, but I advise you to go for a maximum of 11 hours. Here is why this method works. Number one, YouTube love live stream. Yes, YouTube love to push live stream more to the face of people, especially on short when you do it on a vertical camera. So YouTube like to push it out to people. Number two reason is viewers stay longer. Relaxing content equals to higher retention. So people just want to calm off after their whole stress of the day. So they would love to stay in your live stream if you have relaxing music playing, or if you just have a very peaceful image. Reason number three is that you are not on camera, no pressure. You don't have to say, "Hey, my background is not good. Hey, I'm camera shy," or all of that. So no pressure. The last reason is that you can do this regularly. You can even do it daily. Depends on you, especially if you have a second phone. You can just put it on and just go do your thing. And the best part is you're building hours and subscribers passively. You don't have to edit and do all of that. Just go live. Listen, I know this 4,000 watch hour goal might really look overwhelming, but with this simple strategy, you are getting hours, and you are staying in your goal. No stress of editing, no stress of scripting, no pressure of being on camera. Start now. Pick a topic, grab a background, and go live. Just make sure you optimize your title, thumbnail, and description, because SEO is what brings the crowd. So if you got value from this video, do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment if you're going to try these out. And also don't forget to subscribe. Yes, I always tell you to subscribe. So until next time, bye bye.